Prepare to be awestruck as we delve into the realm of maritime giants. Join me in an exploration of the top 10 largest cruise ships worldwide, where sheer size meets engineering marvels. Each vessel on this list represents the epitome of maritime prowess. Let's embark on a brief journey to uncover the magnitude and significance of these oceanic behemoths. Number 10. Arvia. Arvia is considered one of the biggest ships in the world because of its impressive size and capacity, having about 184,700 gross tonnage. It's a massive cruise ship that can accommodate 5,200 passengers at a normal operating capacity. With its multiple decks, luxurious amenities, and state-of-the-art facilities, Arvia offers an unforgettable experience on the high seas. It's like a floating city. Number 9. Costa Toscana. Costa Toscana has earned its reputation as one of the largest cruise ships globally, boasting impressive statistics: a length of approximately 1,106 feet, a gross tonnage exceeding 182,000, and the ability to host around 6,600 passengers. This modern vessel from Costa Cruises combines expansive size with contemporary design, providing passengers with a spacious and sophisticated cruise experience enriched with a diverse range of amenities. Number 8. Costa Smeralda. Costa Smeralda is acknowledged as one of the largest cruise ships globally, showcasing its impressive dimensions. A length of about 1,106 feet, a gross tonnage surpassing 182,000, and the capacity to accommodate around 6,600 passengers. This flagship vessel of Costa Cruises combines size with modern design, offering passengers a spacious and luxurious cruising experience with a wide range of amenities. Number 7. MSC World Europa. MSC World Europa is recognized as one of the largest cruise ships globally, featuring impressive statistics: a length of approximately 1,093 feet, a gross tonnage exceeding 205,000, and the capacity to host around 6,300 passengers. This next-generation ship by MSC Cruises sets new standards for size and innovation, providing passengers with a vast array of amenities and a memorable cruise experience. Number 6. Allure of the Seas. Allure of the Seas earns its status as one of the world's largest cruise ships, boasting remarkable dimensions: a length of about 1,187 feet, a gross tonnage surpassing 225,000, and the ability to host over 6,800 passengers. As part of Royal Caribbean's Oasis class, this ship combines impressive size with cutting-edge amenities, offering passengers an extraordinary and expansive cruising experience. Number 5. Oasis of the Seas. Oasis of the Seas stands out as one of the world's largest cruise ships, showcasing its grandeur with impressive figures: a length of approximately 1,187 feet, a gross tonnage of about 226,838, and the capacity to accommodate over 6,800 passengers. This Oasis-class marvel by Royal Caribbean sets a benchmark for size and luxury, offering a vast array of amenities and experiences for an unparalleled cruise adventure. Number 4. Harmony of the Seas. Harmony of the Seas earns its distinction as one of the world's largest ships, boasting impressive dimensions: a length of about 1,188 feet, a gross tonnage exceeding 226,000, and a passenger capacity of over 6,700. This Oasis-class cruise ship by Royal Caribbean redefines maritime luxury with its massive scale, innovative features, and a commitment to providing passengers with an unparalleled and grand cruising experience. Number 3. Symphony of the Seas. Symphony of the Seas holds the title of one of the world's largest ships, boasting a staggering length of approximately 1,184 feet, a gross tonnage exceeding 228,000, and the capacity to accommodate over 6,600 passengers. Its colossal size, combined with cutting-edge amenities and entertainment, establishes it as a maritime marvel in the cruise industry. Number 2. Wonder of the Seas. Wonder of the Seas stands as one of the world's largest cruise ships, showcasing its enormity with a length of around 1,188 feet, a gross tonnage surpassing 236,000, and the ability to host over 6,800 passengers. This floating marvel, part of Royal Caribbean's Oasis class, sets new standards in size, offering a remarkable blend of grandeur and top-notch amenities for an unparalleled cruise experience. Number 1. Icon of the Seas. The lead ship of Icon class called Icon of the Seas. It's an upcoming ship by Royal Caribbean International and is expected to be the biggest ships in the world, with 248,663 tonnage. While specific details about the ship are still being released, it's said to have a crew of 2,350 and a capacity of 5,610 passengers at double or 7,600 at maximum capacity. It's scheduled to enter service on the 27th of January. Overall, our journey through the top 10 biggest cruise ships reveals a world where innovation and scale redefine maritime boundaries. From luxurious cruise liners to colossal cargo vessels, these giants of the sea epitomize human engineering prowess, shaping the future of oceanic travel and trade. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, the notification bell, and leave a comment down below on what you wish for us to cover on next time. My name is Jay. I see you in the next video.